Welcome to Behind the Scenes with Synergy Manufacturing.
How you doing? My name is Lester. I work for Synergy Manufacturing in the production department. Today we got some heat treat in, Dodge tire rods, and I'm gonna tack some adjuster sleeves to them to get them ready for post weld. So these are the Dodge tire rods that just came from heat treat, and I'm gonna go ahead and put them in my fixture and lock in my adjuster sleeves. One side needs no screw, one side does, to make sure that it's locked in properly. Once I lock this in, and I got my MIG set to 205 and 17.5, and we'll go ahead and tack these up. So now I'm gonna unloosen the screw from this side, and I'm gonna stack these properly so that when they go to the post weld, they're actually ready to exactly go bar after bar right to the post weld where it should fit in perfectly. And there you have it. That's the beginning stage of the weld. Tack them up and get them ready for post weld to go out for manufacturing.
Hi, my name is Sierra and I am a production welder here at Synergy Manufacturing, and today we're welding Dodge Ram tie rods. Here at Synergy in the production department, we have 4 welders that rotate between tacking and welding all the parts. So earlier you saw Lester tacking them, and now we're going to post weld them. We bring them over here to our positioner, and we have these little components made where the ends can just slide right on. Then you put a pin through, and then we weld them. So each side has a different end, as you can see, and so we always weld one side and then we flip the attachment and then weld the other side, and then they all go on a pallet for deburr. And so when we're done welding both sides, I send them to deburring to go get cleaned up, and then they send them to powder coating, and then they come back and we take them to packaging and they assemble it all and then send it right to you, and then I move on to the next job. And thanks for joining us here in the production welding side of Synergy, and we'll see you next time.